So, at this conference, this is day number 2 at the conference. And day number 2, I mean, what can I say? If you don't take anything else from this conference, all the information that was provided, she literally gave us the blueprint of how to go and find and what to say to get certain contracts for our businesses. So, if you are not progressing in your business after this conference, it's your fault. Don't blame her because she did deliver. She provided everything that she said she was going to. And I must say, I've never been to a conference like this where we do hands-on training, but you're doing hands-on training and then you leave it with a certificate of things really good at. So you can actually know what you're doing and you're going to have a contract. I mean, this was the best conference that I've ever attended. And I can't wait for next year and the years after that. Thank you.